A study by Upwork found that by 2028, 73% of all teams will have remote workers. And a survey by Buffer found that 40% of employees reported that a flexible schedule would be the best perk of working remotely. Many of us have already made the switch to remote work, and if not, you're definitely already familiar with virtual collaboration. But what does it take to actually excel at virtual collaboration? We want to help. Hi, I'm Lauren McGoodwin, founder and CEO of Career Contessa, a career site and education platform built inclusively for women. And I'd like to introduce our course, Remote Control: How to Enact Successful Virtual Collaboration. In this course, we'll teach you how to set up and implement a virtual collaboration strategy for long-term success. This course will teach you how to identify the virtual collaboration skills that you already possess and build them to your unique advantage. In this course, you'll learn how to dispel your fears or hesitations about remote work and virtual collaboration, cut the fat we got so used to in physical offices, utilize essential communication techniques to encourage clarity, build processes that work for you as an individual and across your organization, develop and utilize your very own project management skills no matter what your current position might be. Use your days and weeks to work toward maximum productivity. No more slogging through 40 hours of desk time just because. And gather and use tools that help your team to communicate and collaborate effectively. But most importantly, you'll walk away with the tools to enact successful virtual collaboration without losing your company's humanity. Here's what you'll get when you enroll in this course: 5 step-by-step video tutorial lessons that include screen shares and helpful graphics so you can set goals, build a successful foundation for you and your team, and the essential tools to learn how to manage projects, both remotely and in person. That's a $300 value. 30+ page workbook full of interactive worksheets, templates, workflows, and checklists to help you create an actionable plan that you can do at your own pace. That's a $180 value. The document, a centralized template to build out a collaborative project with your entire team. That's a $100 value. Lifetime access to an evergreen technology list updated monthly with the best remote tools out there for today and tomorrow. That's a $300 value. Templates, worksheets, and diagrams to help you proactively solve problems. That's a $150 value. Plus, you'll get in-depth advice on building healthy communication, team-wide touch points, and overall humanity for your remote team. And you'll hear expert interviews from real managers, remote employees, our founder and CEO Lauren McGoodwin, and more. Here are just a few features that our students love: exclusive access to the Career Contessa student community, a free downloadable interactive workbook, quick, thorough lessons to help you learn efficiently, flexibility, learn from anywhere, anytime on your own schedule, lifetime unlimited access to the course, authentic, actionable advice that you can implement today, possible company reimbursement for course fee, and most importantly, professional development that's not stuffy. The reality is that remote work is the present, and it's definitely going to be a large part of our future moving forward. Now is the time to invest in yourself as an effective virtual collaborator. With Remote Control, you'll know exactly what it takes to excel in virtual collaboration. Enroll in Remote Control: How to Enact Successful Virtual Collaboration, and learn how to make remote work for you.